Struggling to get a good night's sleep? Let's explore some effective strategies for improving your sleep quality. First, establish a consistent sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock and promotes better sleep patterns. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Engage in calming activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle stretching. Avoid stimulating activities, electronic devices, and bright lights before bed. Ensure a comfortable sleep environment. Invest in a supportive mattress, cozy bedding, and consider using blackout curtains or a sleep mask to block out light. Keep the bedroom cool, quiet, and free from distractions. Manage stress and promote relaxation before sleep. Practice deep breathing exercises, meditation, or journaling to release any tension or worries. Create a peaceful mindset to prepare your body for rest. Avoid consuming caffeine, nicotine, and heavy meals close to bedtime. These can interfere with your sleep quality. Instead, opt for a light, sleep-friendly snack if needed. Limit exposure to electronics before bed. The blue light emitted from screens can disrupt your sleep-wake cycle. If you must use electronic devices, consider using blue light filters or wearing blue light blocking glasses. Lastly, create a sleep-friendly mindset. Use your bedroom solely for sleep and intimacy, associating it with relaxation and rest. If you're unable to fall asleep within 20 minutes, try engaging in a calming activity until you feel sleepy. Remember, quality sleep is essential for overall well-being. By implementing these strategies into your nightly routine, you can improve your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and energized.